Are you struggling to keep track of your loved ones? Have you lost a pet and felt helpless? But here's what surprised me about the Optimus 3.0 GPS tracker. It's not just for pets, but also for keeping track of your elderly parents, kids, or even your favorite outdoor gear. There's been a lot of buzz around this device lately, but I dug deeper to see if it really lives up to its promises. Let me tell you, I was blown away by what I discovered. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you, have you ever lost something or someone precious? How did that feel? You're in the right place, and for the best price, click the link in the description, /N. The Optimus 3.0 GPS tracker is a small, lightweight device that claims to be waterproof and shockproof. It has a long-lasting battery life of up to 14 days on a single charge. But what really caught my attention was its ability to provide real-time location tracking, movement monitoring, and geofencing. But here's the thing, this tracker is not just for tracking objects or people. It also comes with an SOS button that allows your loved one to send emergency alerts in case of an accident or injury. How many devices can claim that level of personal safety? Therefore, I decided to dig deeper into its capabilities and see if it lives up to the hype. But as I began to research, I realized that there are several other GPS trackers on the market with similar features. But what sets the Optimus 3.0 apart is its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly interface. It's incredibly easy to set up and use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of its standout features. Real-time location tracking ***. With the Optimus 3.0, you can track your loved one's exact location in real time, whether they're on a hike or driving to school. Movement monitoring ***. This feature allows you to monitor your loved one's daily activity levels, ensuring they stay active and healthy. Geofencing ***. Set safe zones for your loved ones and receive alerts if they enter or leave those areas without permission. But here's the thing, these features are not just limited to personal use. The Optimus 3.0 can also be used to track outdoor gear, vehicles, or even your home security system. Therefore, I was excited to put it through its paces and see if it delivered on its promises. But as I began to test the device, I encountered a few surprises. But first, let's talk about some of the benefits you can expect from using the Optimus 3.0 GPS tracker. Peace of mind ***. With real-time location tracking and emergency alerts, you'll have peace of mind knowing your loved ones are safe. Increased safety ***. The SOS button provides an added layer of security in case of an accident or injury. Improved productivity. With movement monitoring and geofencing, you can stay on top of your loved one's daily activities. But how does it perform in real-life scenarios? Let's take a look at some of the features I tested. Real-time location tracking. I was impressed with the accuracy of the GPS tracking feature. It pinpointed my location to within 10 feet. Movement monitoring. This feature is incredibly useful for monitoring daily activity levels. You can even set reminders to stay active throughout the day. Geofencing. The geofencing feature worked flawlessly, sending me alerts whenever I entered or left designated areas. Therefore, after putting the Optimus 3.0 through its paces, I was blown away by its performance. But what really sealed the deal for me was its affordability. But here's the thing, you don't have to break the bank to get your hands on this amazing device. For the best price, click the link in the description, /N. The Optimus 3.0 GPS tracker is a game-changer for anyone who wants to stay connected with their loved ones or keep track of valuable assets. With its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly interface, it's an absolute must-have. Therefore, don't wait any longer. Get your hands on the Optimus 3.0 GPS tracker today and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're always connected to what matters most, /N.